Hi guys, welcome to the episode. Today let's talk about what will happen with altcoins if Bitcoin will fall. So a lot of solid traders, including myself, expecting on the Bitcoin some downtrend or global correction. So what will happen with altcoins if it will be the truth, right? So today I'm going to use the technical analysis, and most important, I'll try to keep it as simple as possible that each one of you could understand. I'm not going to use the complicated words or complicated indicators. Everything I'll try to keep it as simple as possible. And of course, this video didn't make for financial advice, everything made for educational purpose. So if you want to repeat my trades, I highly suggest you to jump in my Telegram club, link in the description below, subscribe to the channel, press that like, and put your comments. What do you think about the market? It's really also very important. So in today's episode, I will touch a little bit about the Bitcoin because that you will have a clear understanding what's going on globally, and after we will deep dive into some altcoins which I'm thinking that there's like really great deals to do. So let's go to the charts and let's break down. But before we start, I highly suggest you to check previous videos because about the global scenario, if you are interested in my opinion about what I'm thinking about the global scenario, in the previous videos I made really clear and detailed what I'm thinking about. So today I'm a little bit will touch it, and you will still have a main understanding what we are expecting on the Bitcoin. So right now we are seeing that the price is getting really to the major resistance. If we open the RVP, this is horizontal volumes. Here we are checking the support resistances, and it's much more simple for me to show you, right? So as you can see here, the small mountain over here, it represents us as resistance, right? So as you can see, we are getting close to that resistance, and from this area we are expecting, or it will be some kind of reaction, right, downtrend, or we're gonna break it and go higher. So this is why the Bitcoin right now looks a little bit uncertain. So I highly suggest you to do not touch at all, right? Give it correction, and only after that make some kind of decision. But about that, in previous videos I was talking about, I'm not gonna mention it today a lot. What will happen if this is the true and the Bitcoin will go massively in a downtrend, right? Basically in the first stage, what will happen, we will see some altcoin seasons, because from this money which drives the Bitcoin will flow into the altcoins, and we will see the massive some kind of pumps on the and beautiful pumps on the Bitcoin. But basically if you are opening any charts, and today I choose some 3 or 4 coins for reviewing, and there we will see actually very bullish signs of that, and it's really good time to jump in. So first of all, let's talk about the AVAX. This is really good coin, which one I like it by myself, by fundamentals as well. Very good coin for invest. And what we are seeing but about this one we're not going to talk about today. What we are seeing on the clean charts. First, what we are seeing that volumes are increasing, and we are breaking really major resistance over here. So as you can see, this movement over here on the daily time frame follows with the volume. So basically we can say that this is beginning of some kind of massive impulse, right? And this is really great and very good. So basically it's really good time to jump into the AVAX as well. We are seeing a massive splash of volumes, and the price is increasing. A very big possibility that this is wave 1 right now. After becomes some correctional wave 2 we will retest, and after massively we will pump in a wave 3. Wave 4, wave 5 don't care yet. We need to see some massive breaking first, right? This is what we're expecting. So basically AVAX looks very bullish, right? By itself AVAX is very good coin to invest as well. So if you want to trade this scenario, I highly suggest you to do not use the leverage, because still the old altcoins are kind of very manipulative assets, and leverage is not good thing to do right now on the altcoins. But you can just invest and hold it, and this is really good to hold right now. It's the volumes are increasing, and someone is massively buying this coin as well. About the sand, let's turn to the sand, because about this coin I gave in a signal as well in my Telegram club. Over here, altcoin signals, and here, right, long entry. We did break over here. Let me turn over here, right? We did break, and it's really good time to enter in the longs, because this looks super bullish. Here you can see the volumes are increasing, price is also increasing. increasing, gave us some kind of correction, gave us splash of volumes, and we go all-time highs. I mean locally over here we are breaking super strong resistance. It gave us massive some kind of volumes as well. So basically we have all moral right to say that this is wave 1. Right now we know wave 2, and we are expecting massively wave 3. So what is the best decision to do right now? It's really good to long it, so basically buy it, right? Here's the target 1, target 2, target 3, my targets which on a market. One more thing what I want to mention, if you want to trade this one, put your stop losses around this area where I mentioned 0.29, 30, around this area, right? And if we're gonna reach the target 1, first of all, I suggest you to close big parts of your open trade. So basically, if you did open from this area, closed in the target 1, still hold and put your stop losses, move your stop losses. These stop losses move to the entry point. So actually, if you entered right now, move your stop losses to entry point if you get the target 1. So basically, if you enter, if the target 1 work out, you close some position, maybe 50% of your trade, right? And if the price will come back to the 0 point to your entries, you will be still in profit. So basically, very great deal. But I do not suggest you to use leverage. Right now, let's turn to SLP as well. SLP, looks how beautiful this looks like. It gave us massive volumes. We are breaking super. Oops. Let me clean that. We don't need it. Right, do like this. We are breaking super strong resistance. This altcoin is actually shitcoin, but there is a lot of kind of tons of the money inside, so this is why we can trade, and there's massive interest into the people. So really great charts it looks like right now, because it gave us massive splash of volumes first of all, right? And the price is rising, so we are breaking resistances. I did bought that coin as well. I did buy it, and I'm gonna hold it till around the 1 cent, but first target will be around 50-60 cents. Over this area is my first target, right? After that, I'm gonna move my stop losses to entry point. My entry was around 28, I guess, right? Long time of the period over this range, right? So right now it looks super bullish and really very great opportunity to trade this coin as well, right? What about the Ethereum? I would say the Ethereum and Bitcoin looks the same. I would say that's super uncertain situation, because yeah, we are seeing some kind of volumes, but on the global scenario, and you look at the global picture, right? Volumes are decreasing and the price is increasing. This is not good at all. So this is why, I don't know, it's a little bit uncertain on the Ethereum. So basically better to do not touch at all. And I'm not touching as well the Ethereum. So just be patient, and Bitcoin and Ethereum I'm not touching. But about the altcoins, let me talk what will happen if the Bitcoin will fall massively. What will happen with the altcoins? Basically, first we will see the massive pumps, as I'm repeating once again, right? And after, of course, we will see some kind of correction, because remember, every impulse always ends up with a correction or downtrend. So basically, be ready to take your profits as well on the good time as well, right? But for now, the altcoins looks super bullish, and it's really great time to trade the altcoins. But Bitcoin by itself, I'm not sure, because I mean, this is why I'm trading on the high time frame. I'm not opening any positions right now. In investment perspective, I do not suggest you to buy Bitcoin right now. As well, I'm not suggesting to sell, because I'm not selling anything right now, right? This movement looks like correction. If we're gonna go all-time highs, only after that we're gonna take some profits and go higher, right? But first we need to go outside of this movement, because this structure, as you can see, it's not looks like impulse at all. It looks like correction. I don't know, this is ugly movement. As you can see on the AVAX, I showed you how it looks like impulse. This is how it looks like when we are breaking super important resistances and we are seeing the massive splash of volumes. This is how it usually comes. For example, sand as well, you can see that here massive volumes are step by step increasing, right? Price is increasing from 0 point over here, right? And volumes also follows it. So basically this is harmonious market move, and this is where you want to jump, and this is what you want to trade. SLP as well, you are seeing boom, massive volumes, price action. We are breaking resistance, super strong resistance, most likely continuation of the trend, right? Ronin as well, this coin I'm trading. This is I gave in my Telegram club. I'm not gonna talk about in this video, but in my Telegram club, I also gave that signal as well. So basically what will happen with the altcoins will pump, and after will be massive downtrend as well, right? If the Bitcoin will turn into the bull market, like something will happen, because on the market everything is possible that we will break that resistance right now and go much more higher, right? But first, what we need to see on the Bitcoin, at least some kind of correction. So impulse, correction, and after massive impulse, something such kind of we need to see. But right now we cannot see at all. The volumes are decreasing and the price is step by step increasing. I'm still bearish. I'm kind of expecting some kind of correction at least, right? And only after that correction I'm gonna accumulate more Bitcoin or more altcoins as well. But about the altcoins, I'm pretty bullish right now, and I still hold my coins as well. So if you like my analysis, if you like the way I look at the market, I highly suggest you to subscribe to this channel, jump into our Telegram club. Soon I'm gonna close my Telegram club as well, and the people who joined, it will be for free for you forever, guys. So thank you for watching, thank you for leaving your comments, pressing the likes. Each one of you already subscribed to my channel, thank you so much, and see you in the next. Catch you somewhere here. Bye bye, and